What was going on inside the White House made the stuff in the streets look like a party. Reed's people were in there, not Black Arrow. And they were clearing it room by room. Reed had disabled most of the security from Third Echelon. The EMP had taken care of the rest. All the President had left was Secret Service. And they weren't enough. Sam was in, trying to make his way through the White House while the people he'd trained tried to kill him. As for Grim, well, she had the hard part.
Somebody! Please! Call back!
These orders. What are we doing here when we should be part of the team bagging the primary objective?
Sam, we have an opportunity here. Reed stashed Vice President Sampson in the ballroom with personal bodyguards. He's waiting to be introduced as the next president.
That's on my route to the West Wing.
Pay him a visit. Then meet me in the press room. We'll figure out how to tackle Reed there.
Please, just don't shoot!
Two kills confirmed. No survivors. Do a sweep for Splinter.
Not good! Man down! Everybody watch your back! Hang tight, I'm on the way!
Nothing yet. Can anyone see the target?
The target's still close. Shit! I'm gonna sit tight and see what happens. Rest easy, man. I'll take it from here. I'll get the guy.
Okay?
I don't have a fix on the hard, Kyle. Ow! No contact. No.
What the hell was Reed thinking? What happened to the special plan if I catch a stray bullet?
Not have a fix on the
Vice
target.
President, I can
Anybody
assure
got
you
him?
everything is
We believe that all men are created equal.
What the?
Hostile contact!
You didn't run. Smart.
You don't get it, do you? You can't touch me. I got protection. I'm Teflon, so whatever you think you're gonna do to me, Mr. Has-Been, Mr. Rogue Agent, Mr. Washed-Up Spy, we can forget about it right now, because I'm bulletproof. Goddamn bulletproof, you hear?
Oh, really?
And we today have concluded an agreement.
Oh! Oh, you shot me! Oh!
You know, you need to work on that whole
Son of a
bulletproof thing.
bitch!
Secure the Vice President! That's priority! Down!
Damn!
It's Fisher!
Move it!
Fisher's
I'll
there!
provide support! Got it! Stand by!
Heads up! Hand engaged! No vision!
And economic upheaval.
Where you going, Fisher? this is funny? Christ! Target!
By the time Grim got a hold of Sam, Reed's men were kicking in the Oval Office door. She was there, and she could see that the president's protective detail was going down. The plan was for Sam to meet with Grim in the press room where they'd figure out what the hell to do next. Of course, Grim already had a plan, one she hadn't bothered to tell Sam about. But that shouldn't have surprised him. Some things and some people just don't change.
Damn it!
Payback time!
Man down! Find who did this and take him out! God damn!
No, mother!
To continue this
No vision on the podcast!
is to maintain tremendous social, cultural, political, and economic upheavals.
Please, help!
I'm on Overwatch. Engage the target. I'm gonna get in close. Here's Splinter!
Say hi to Lambert for me!
We're out of time, Sam. Where are you?
I'm close.
Get closer. Reed's knocking on the door to the Oval Office right now.
Fuck me! Ow! Fuck! Target! Target, not visible! Smoke grenade! Run to get
Pop some smoke!
You're done! Cannot get a visual on the hostile! Hell, wrong guy, shithead! Take him out, I'll cover you! I've got no visual on the popping smoke! In position now!
Contact! Jesus! Fisher's right here!
For whatever it's worth, Sam, I am so sorry for everything.
I thought we were in a hurry.
Right. We need to get you close to Reed, and we need to do it in a way that doesn't make him double-tap the president immediately.
Got any ideas?
One. But it's gonna hurt.
Just do what you have to do.
I always do, Sam. I always do. Tom? I've got Fisher. I'm bringing him in. Don't do anything drastic until I get there. Sorry, Sam. You're going to the Oval Office. You've got to dress properly for the occasion. Hands? You comfortable?
Fuck.
Get up. You've got an appointment with the president.
All those years you were lying to me.
It was for the greater good, Sam. And I would do it again in a heartbeat, for the same reasons.
Guess I never did know you.
No, you didn't. And you still don't.
I was wondering when you were gonna get here. Nice work, Anna. I see you got some payback in for the stun he pulled at the airfield.
Well, he put up a little bit of a fight.
Of course he did. And now he's here, the famous Sam Fisher, just in time to be useful. So how does it feel, Sam? Knowing you're gonna go down in history as the man who assassinated President Caldwell.
Fuck you, Reed.
Of course, we'll be just a little too late to rescue her. And you'll be shot multiple times trying to escape. It's classic, but it's clean.
You don't honestly believe that this is going to work. The surveillance cameras footage is going to show.
Your cameras, we own them. Your security measures, we made sure the Pulse fried them. We're third echelon, Madam President. We own every bit of information that goes through this town. And if I want to, I can make it look like you were assassinated by 2 circus clowns and a golden retriever. So shut up, and you might live a few seconds longer.
That's not third echelon.
It's not Lambert's third echelon. Last time I checked, he was dead. And guess what? Third echelon nearly died with him.
Tom.
You see, the president decided the agency wasn't justifying its funding anymore. She was gonna shut us down, leave America vulnerable to the sort of attack.
Madam President, are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
Son of a...
That was a close
You've got
call.
maybe 2 minutes before the army takes back the White House. Make them useful. How did Megiddo get to you?
You don't want to know about Megiddo, you want to know about your daughter.
You don't get to talk about my daughter.
Still don't get it, do you? Sarah didn't matter. Threatening her was just a way to get to you. And leveraging you was a way to get to third echelon. And third echelon, that was a way to get what they wanted out of the White House.
You're the mole. You're the one Lambert was worried about.
Very good, Sam. You finally see.
You son of a bitch! You cost me 3 years of my life. 3 years when I thought my daughter was dead.
Move! Move! Drop your weapon on the floor now!
Captain, thank you for rescuing me. Now, I don't see anyone else here but us, and I'm sure you don't either.
Oh, ma'am. Let's get you out of here.
Thank you.
Oval Office is secure. We have the president. POTUS is safe and secure.
talked to Sam once since he left. He told me that he and Sarah were gonna take some time to catch up. He talked about learning who was really important to you, why you always had to come back for him. He talked about family. And you know what the last thing he said to me was, just before he hung up? Vic, he said, thanks for everything. I love you like a brother. Brother, that's family, right? Yeah. I thought so.